Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a delightful treat in store for you. Homemade apple donuts. These are the perfect way to celebrate the fall season. Let's get started. But before we dive into the recipe, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe like this one. Now let's get started with the recipe. Into a large mixing bowl, add some all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda with some salt and sugar. Add some cardamom powder for the flavoring. Mix everything really well. Then add some melted butter. Mix it, and here I am adding some buttermilk. Add it slowly and mix it till it becomes a smooth batter like this. Now the batter is ready. Let's prepare the apples for the donut. Peel the apple and cut it round like this. To remove core from the apple, use a cookie cutter. You can see it will come out so easily and our apples are ready. Now heat some oil and dip each apple piece in the batter. And fry them in oil. Flip it in between and fry both the sides till it becomes slightly golden shade. Once they are cooked, remove them from the oil, and while they are still warm, coat them in a mixture of sugar and cinnamon. It's going to give them that irresistible sweetness and flavor. And there you have it, our homemade apple donuts. These are best enjoyed when fresh and warm. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Share your thoughts and suggestions with us. Until next time, happy cooking!